Passion for the role definitely comes from problem solving. It's something I've always loved doing, whether it be puzzles, Lego from an early years, to then, again, customers come to us saying, oh, can we do this? We can do it, let's figure out how to do it. I was tasked with Morel Farm and with an island that's full of history and a lot of buildings that aren't inhabited or uninhabitable. It was really nice to be a part of a project that's bringing a big part of that back to life. When we install new services, we always plan for the future. We've put in a supply purely for EV charging, and if anything changes for the future, there's capacity all on site. It just all falls in line with looking out for the future of the world, really, and our kids and their kids' and so on. It's just making sure that they've got a healthy planet to live on, and anything we can do to help sustain that or improve on that is something we're always looking to do. I'm lucky enough to have quite a rewarding job anyway, but to really feel like I've actually brought a bit of history back to life. Honoured to have been a part of the project.